Hi, today we're going to look at how to use the rooms and color code them with the preset room color legend. First I would have to draw some walls so we have some rooms to define. So I'm just quickly going to draw some standard walls here. This is very nice in Revit 2011, where you can now you can use the space bar as a repeat command, like other programs. So here we have a set of rooms. I'll just make these walls a slightly different type. I go to the properties, and I'll pick up a half an hour fire rated partition wall. Then we'll go up in rooms, and I'll pick the room here, and I can click up or pick all the different rooms that I want to. And you can see it's naming my rooms in order. And I must have accidentally placed a room already in here, so we can see how to remove a room later on. So I set up a few rooms. I'm going to go to the color legend, and I'm going to place it here in my sheet because it's really handy to have it in here. It asks me if what kind of space, and yes, I want to do rooms. I can do them by department, by name or number, and I would actually like to color them by name, which means that if they have different names, they will have different color. Right now they all have the same name. And you can go into the legends. Oh, sorry. Go into the types here. Edit scheme. And in here, in edit schemes, you can see the different presets that you would like. And right now we just have room, and we can add another one. And we can put up a program called a sport, like in the sports arena, and I'm going to call this fencing hall. And then I would like a basketball hall. Oh, and gym, and maybe a cafe. And I can change the colors here, so the gym can be so they can have different colors. And I can also, and I'm also gonna add a few more to make it a bit more complex, like a spa. And the cafe, we can make it a bit coffee color. Not sure if that. Fencing, make it a bit more whitish. Okay. And we have to tell our color scheme that it's all rooms and areas. There we go. One way of doing it is that we can actually go in and we can type in this one cafe, which can be a very long and tedious process. Go into schedules, and you can create a new schedule. And we're going to tell the schedule that it's based on rooms, and say OK. And then we need to find the parameters that we want to show. And we can use name, and we want to show number. We want to show the area. And that's probably all we want to show. We can also take the department now it's in. Yeah. So these are the shared parameters, and I will go through that in a different tutorial, how you can customize your room tag or tags in general to make them specific for your needs. So here you can see we have all the parameters, all the shared parameters set up, and we can change them to become which one of them that we want. So maybe room 2 and 3 is going to be fencing hall, room 4 is going to be the gym, then we have the cafe in room 5, gonna have the basketball in room 6, probably need another cafe as well, and a gym, because it's like different kinds of gym, and we also need the spa. I'm going to put in 2 spas here. Then if we go back to our plan, you can see that our area actually has updated the color scheme. If you go back to the schedules, you can also say, well, we have quite a few square meters, so in this other here we have different fields. And if you go into sorting groups, you can actually say, oh, grand total. I would like to see the grand total of my square meters and also of the amount of rooms I have. And you say, okay, and it will add down here all the rooms. Oh, we didn't get the square meters. Let's see why it will not pick that up for us. Counts and total should be fine. All of them here. Oh yes, it's because you have to go into your area and you say, I would like to be calculated in the totals. Yeah, there's just one. So you go in and tell the parameter that this would like to be calculated. Interesting is that if you click on number or name or department, you can't calculate the total because the parameter knows that it's not based on numbers. It's based on naming. So yeah, and here we go. 126 square meters we have all in all. And you can filter this, and you can go in and say name. You can filter it by name. So we would like to see only the, maybe not the basketball, but only the spas, for example. And we say okay. And then we only get the spas in here. This is really nice if you have a lot of very different mechanical rooms, where you have several hundred rooms with different kind of programs. This can be extremely good. You can also, of course, format this one, and they have like a preset formatting, and you can center the name if that's what you want, and the appearances. You can go in appearance, and you can change the appearance slightly. But let's go back and not do any filters, and we can see all our entire program. So in here, you can see it's a little bit annoying because number 4 and the number is sort of has a white background. So you have to go into your family to change this. This is because it's not consistently set up. And this is actually a preset family that I'm working in. So you go in and say edit family. And this is the room number. And you can go up here in the label. They're set up by labels, and you say edit type, and you change the background from opaque to become transparent, and you click OK, and then you load it back into the project, and you overwrite the existing parameters, and you get rid of the background color. And that's all I would like to show you today. And I hope you can use this very simple room legend setup, and hopefully you can also start having a go on how to make your own parameters for your rooms. Thank you.